Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of LJ Law, Family Law TV. My name is Bonnie Leonardo and I am your host. Today's topic deals with parenting agreements. What exactly is a parenting agreement? A parenting agreement is also known as a custody agreement, a custody and visitation agreement, a co-parent agreement, or a parenting agreement. It goes by many different names, but it is basically a document that both spouses negotiate and agree on regarding the custody of their children after a divorce. It's usually included in the divorce decree or a separation agreement if the parties were not married. The parenting agreements will generally cover such topics as where the children will live, the visitation schedule, what times and what days the children will be in which parent's house, how the major holidays will be divided between the parents, how vacations and birthdays will be shared between the parents, the parents' rights to communicate with their children when they are with the other parent, the parents' rights to information from the children's school or medical records, and how changes to the agreement may be made by both parents. Parenting agreements are a good idea for the parties to have, as it gives the parents and the children consistency and predictability related to the visitation schedule. This is a big help in relieving some of the anxiety and the stress that children are dealing with while their parents are going through a divorce. Once this agreement has been signed by the judge and filed with the court, it becomes a binding court order, which the parties have to follow and abide by. The failure to abide by the agreement can lead to the party being held in contempt of court, and can also have negative consequences related to visitations for the party who is not abiding by the agreement. For example, a party who is not returning the children at the time that they're supposed to return them, or the parent who takes the children out of the state for longer periods than he was supposed to or she was supposed to, can face consequences where the court can minimize the time now that that parent can spend with the children. So it's important to abide by the agreement. It's also important to have an agreement to, like I stated before, make it a better, easier, more predictable expectation for all the parties involved. If you have questions about this topic or any other topic in family law, go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com and I will be more than happy to help you discuss your particular situation. And as always, I thank you for watching and I will see you next time.